What is it? Why'd you buy this?
Why?
The motor's not worth. What'd you pay for the car?
$500. We're winning.
I thought you said it smoked a little.
I take it back. It smokes a lot.
Open the door. You're gonna die.
This thing's with an F. It's got the front wheel delete.
What is it?
You
You can't even tell what it is.
It's the CRV. It's the only thing that's back here. It's the CRV part. What's up, boy?
Rude.
So,
I see you're missing the tires, so just give one.
no. It's got the delete. The front, the driver's side delete.
Oh.
Yeah. Better gas mileage.
It's one of those hovering ones.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
The roof line.
I do like the
Man.
hood prop. It looks like a baton.
It's yes.
This was in bad roll.
Yeah. At least that other one, I was pretty concerned for lives. I feel
other
like
one-
unless you had
the
people,
TL?
yeah, unless you had someone in the trunk of this, I think they'd probably live.
Yeah.
What are you pulling out of this?
The motor.
The body.
It's still good?
Yeah.
Bought it for the body.
Yeah.
That door is in perfect shape.
Which one?
Yeah,
This
back
one.
door.
Yeah.
So,
There's not even a scratch.
Iron.
Shut up. That's not real. Okay, so why why did you buy this?
ooh, that's definitely.
Oh, that is. Dang it.
I don't need anything inside the car. That's the nice part.
Why'd you buy this?
Why?
The motor's not worth. What'd you pay for the car?
$500.
The motor's barely worth $500.
There, you can't find them. Every single part out
So
on
you're
the
not-
marketplace.
You're not selling the motor?
No. I'll sell that motor probably for $500. Needs a
What's
rebuild.
wrong with that?
It smokes.
Oh, so you bought this for
Or
that?
fix the silver one to sell the silver one.
Oh.
Yes, and this one has 120,000 miles. So the plan: cut the front end, lift the motor up a little bit, and then
Never take it off the trailer?
no, and then from here to the scrapyard.
Okay.
Yeah. Doesn't look like it should take too long because one of the axles are already out of the trailer. Saves me a lot of time in this department. So I'm probably just gonna cut. In case you fix it.
We refuel on Taco Bell.
Yes. And make it to the scrapyard before they close.
So was that 4 hours?
Oh, until they close, yeah, 4
Yeah.
hours. Yep.
Yeah.
No. Go back up. Okay. Wow. So close.
What you got left?
I
Not a
gotta
lot.
cut the. No, I just gotta cut the shifter cable,
Okay.
the drive shaft, and just behind the cap, and then these three bolts, and fuel lines. Just unplug the wiring harness from the ECU.
Okay.
be in the scrapyard.
Nice.
Easy peasy. I haven't scrapped the car in so long. I don't know, 80 bucks maybe.
No, I mean, like, what did you buy it for?
I bought it for 500 bucks. I'm taking the motor and training, then probably get maybe 100 bucks back. I don't think I'm lifting the car. Nope. Idiot.
Sorry.
No, you're good.
Why would I be sorry? You almost dropped the jack on my foot.
Oh, yeah, well, he's sorry.
NASCAR.
I would have been fired. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is. I was going to go kick it. Oh, don't fall.
I've been wondering who's been filling that up so fast.
I just have the bumper and side skirt in the shop.
From this car.
Yeah. I need a seatbelt. I used to remove engines back home when I was 8 years old.
Ow.
Get off.
Oh, just barely.
Go up there. I just passed this stupid cup thing. I never use the wrong salt. That's you. Stop somewhere. Okay, remove hoses and just stupid wiring harness. An 06 Dirty Max. We're winning. It's an 06 with 195,000 miles. Pretty straight.
It looks nice.
Bonus time.
It gets on my nerves now.
Miller has released the minimum bid.
Oh, shut
It's
up.
coming.
I know, 2 minutes.
Miller has released the minimum bid. This is a hot lot. New bidder. New bidder.
Run the clock out. Oh, it doesn't matter.
New bidder.
I guess we can see what it is. That's an aggravating sound.
Mm-hmm.
Suck it. Suck it. Alright, she's gone.
It's a goner.
Oh well.
There'll be more.
Probably not.
Why do you have to go this way?
How do you get this into the shop? We have a hill and ice.
I need that thingy of yours. Set it on.
Oh, that's a pretty good idea. I'll be back.
Okay, I'll be here.
Okay. Wait, what was the shit talking that was just spoken about bag here?
Bag?
Bag. What does bag say they go and do this year?
Well, he just called me out
In
today. I said, I'm ready. My car's at home. I just got to put oil in it. And he said his car doesn't have a motor. I said, not my problem.
Or a transmission or wiring harness.
That's what you talk shit about.
Well,
Nothing.
when I called him, you were talking shit, and all I heard was dog barks.
I never
and
talk.
you were talking shit.
I never ever talk.
I don't talk shit when I'm around. I bring it at him.
Yeah,
What'd
you
you
do.
say? You were gonna beat him by a full second?
This year.
Full second.
Full second.
So it means you got to go 870s.
That means you're gonna go 970s, which is not gonna happen.
Realistic.
Realistic, not.
No, it's realistic.
Realistically, the bug should do 7s.
With a good driver and maybe.
If
some
I
more
take
money.
300 pounds out of my car in the rear and put it in the front and fix traction control.
How much?
200 pounds, maybe 300.
You said 3. You said 300 pounds.
Well, the
Mark
gas tank's
inside.
still
There's-
back there.
There's nothing more.
The gas tank is back.
That's not 300 pounds.
No, I'm not saying it is. Okay, 100 pounds. Put it in the front, fuel cell, traction control, 35 pounds of boost. It'll go 8.
Hey, Austin brought us some to make a fuel cell out of.
Really?
Austin, grab what you brought. Grab one of them little fuel cells, pre-made.
Oh,
No,
what?
no, no, the other one. The other ones. Yeah, those are cool.
Wait,
It's for coffee or a CO2 bomb.
do you want to build a fuel cell?
Yeah, I want to build fuel tech.
Somebody
bad.
already did that. That's fuel tech, Colin.
Right.
Correct.
Hello? They did it by itself, so it made 840 on 24 pounds.
Yeah.
I don't even have to pick.
Austin,
Down a little bit.
Okay.
You don't need a truck, man. You have a Prius.
Oh, hitting lower control.
Oh, no. There you go. I'll leave you the seat, though. That's the best I can do. Perfect. Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, no problem. Have a good one.
Yeah, you too.
Thanks. Get it back.
No smoke?
No smoke.
Hey. So you bought that car for $500.
Yep.
You got how much at the scrapyard?
200.
200. So
So-
$300 swap.
Yep.
And so now you're in this like
2,100 bucks.
that's not bad.
No.
Run and drive, all-wheel drive in the winter here in Colorado.
Yep.
Bueno.